Azerbaijan is upgrading its combat aviation with JF-17 Block 3 fighter jets, strengthening Baku's defense links with Pakistan and Turkey. The move marks a shift from Azerbaijan's MiG-29 fleet to a fourth-generation plus multi-role fighter built through Pakistan-China cooperation. Azerbaijan officially presented the JF-17 C Block 3 to President Ilham Aliyev in September 2024, with officials saying the jets had already entered the Air Force arsenal. The fighter is designed for all-weather, day and night missions and is equipped with AESA radar, electronic warfare systems, modern avionics, and helmet-mounted display technology. Its key advantage is beyond visual range combat, including compatibility with China's PL-15E air-to-air missile, expanding Azerbaijan's interception and deterrence capability. The aircraft can also support precision strike missions and operate within battlefield networks involving drones, targeting systems, and tactical data links. That makes the JF-17 Block 3 part of Baku's move toward network-centric warfare, where fighters, unmanned systems, and electronic warfare assets operate together. The program also carries geopolitical weight. Azerbaijan has ordered 40 aircraft, making it Pakistan's largest ever defense export contract according to reports. For Islamabad, the program extends Pakistan's defense industry beyond South Asia. For Azerbaijan, it deepens military cooperation with Pakistan and Turkey, especially as Baku expands interoperability with Turkish drones, systems, and training.